He died because on the cross, He became the sin, literally identity, that you were known for. Because sin doesn't mean the actions I do. That's where we struggle. But actually, we aren't sinners saved by grace. We are saints who sometimes sin. I now have the right to rule over those choices I make. The sin and the temptation of the world doesn't have power over me anymore. We're made righteous by what Christ has done on the cross. Because He became something that I was, so that I can become something that He is. He became my sin as identity, so that I can become His righteousness as identity.